నమస్తే అండి, నేను శ్రీనివాస్ ఫ్రమ్ Srinu'sPlantss యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్. సో అనదర్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ ప్లాంట్ అండి, Alocasia. See how beautiful are the leaves like. It grows in the long leaves. This is one variety. Ikkada chudandi. See this beautiful plant. Again, this is Alocasia black dragon antarandi dinni. Very beautiful plant andi. See how beautiful. This is Alocasia silver andi. This is Alocasia silver and this is Alocasia platinum. Now here 4 are displayed. Actually we have 5 varieties of Alocasias at Srinu's, Narayanguda. So these are the 4 plants. Again this requires semi-shade light again and very normal watering. Just a spray, danki spray sometimes in 1 or 2 days because ఇది అంతా మీడియా అంతా కోకోపీట్ లో ఉంటుంది. సో ఇట్స్ maximum 2 to 3 days లో just a small spray. But it looks very beautiful and it grows very big, it grows bushy. Again, it looks very beautiful. It gives a lot of ambience to your surroundings. And colors chudandi. One is platinum, one is silver, one is black dragon, and one is the regular normal Alocasia. So this is one more variety and which you can use the plants indoor. Hope you are liking all these beautiful plants. See how nature is all about, like how Alocasia lo varieties, very beautiful varieties. So do visit, do take all these plants at Srinu's. The varieties what we are showing you, we give you n number of varieties in the plants, everything at one point of time. You can have this potting in a beautiful ceramic pot or the rustic ceramic pot. You can go for a terracotta pot or with a pot with painting. It will really increase the richness of your house. So please do take these beautiful ladies at your place. Thank you.